Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to another episode of Football Gupshup. Friends, if you could please subscribe to this channel as well as if you could press the bell button icon so you can receive the notifications for latest episodes. Friends, if you could also please share this channel with your family and friends, it would be really helpful. So friends, we're going to be starting today's episode. We'll be talking about January transfer window. We'll be speaking about what moves have taken place and what moves are in particularly right now they're working towards its end. You could say that there'll be some movement later in this window. As far as we could say, currently in this transfer market, there's only one club which seems to be pretty much active, which is Newcastle United. There's lots of Newcastle United stories in this episode, as well as we do have some stories relating to Aston Villa as well as Tottenham Hotspur. We'll be also speaking about Juventus as well. So let's start today's episode. We'll be speaking about two moves which have already been taken place. One is Trippier to Newcastle United. He has joined from Atletico Madrid. He has joined Newcastle United, and alongside him there are many other names which have been linked to Newcastle United, especially in defense. We'll be speaking about that later. The next move which has already taken place is Digne. It has been reported that Aston Villa will be agreeing a fee with Everton for Lucas Digne. The fee is reported to be around £25 million, and we will see Digne in Aston Villa colours. It seems that Steven Gerrard is building a very good Aston Villa side. He has already signed Coutinho, and now he'll be getting Digne. So we'll be looking forward to how Aston Villa line up in the coming matches. Moving on. The next news is is basically a merry-go-round. Is especially regarding to David Neres, who is a player of Ajax. He is a Brazilian winger. He'll be apparently joining Shakhtar Donetsk, and if he moves to Shakhtar Donetsk, then Ajax, they are looking for another winger, and they might seem to go for Bergwijn of Tottenham Hotspur. So we could say that Bergwijn hasn't been able to cement his place in Tottenham Hotspurs, and it seems that he'll move back to his native homeland, and we might see him playing for Ajax. As well as who will be Spurs looking for if Bergwijn moves to Ajax. The name which has come around is Adama Traore. He might be moving from Wolves to Spurs. Antonio Conte might be looking for him because he could play on both sides of the wings, and he seems to be a very strong player for Premier League, and Antonio Conte might fancy him. Now moving on to the bigger story which has to do with Newcastle United. Recently there's been an update that Chris Wood of Burnley is going to be joining Newcastle United. It's been reported that Chris Wood he had a release clause of £25 million, and Burnley are resignated to lose him now to Newcastle United, which will be a very big blow, and we might see Chris Wood playing up for Newcastle United now. The other name which has come around is Cantwell of Norwich. It has been reported that Cantwell might join Newcastle United, but this seems to be a little bit, you could say, in early stages. It might happen, it might not happen, depending upon if Norwich would want to cash on him. We will see how much Newcastle are willing to pay for him, and if Norwich would be willing to accept that bid. Moving on, the another name which has come up is Ramsey. He has been playing for Juventus, but he hasn't been able to live up to the bill, and it seems that Newcastle United might go for him later in this window. So he's another name to watch out for. The next name is of Dean Henderson. Dean Henderson seems to be pretty much basically has made up his mind that he wants to leave Manchester United because he knows he cannot take the place of David De Gea, because De Gea has been in pretty good form, and it seems that Henderson is resignated to lose his place, and he seems that because it's a World Cup year and he wants to make up to that squad, so it's better for him to go and play for another club. Moving on, the bigger issue for Newcastle United right now is to sign a centre back, and there seem to be a pretty big issue regarding Botman, who plays for Lille. It has been reported that Lille has apparently told Botman that he won't be leaving because they're going to be playing in Champions League later stages, and they don't want to lose him. So it seems that Botman to Newcastle United seems to be over. As the next name which has been reported is of Diego Carlos of Sevilla. It seems that Diego Carlos of Sevilla might be moving to Newcastle United. The fees reported so far is in 30s. He's a 20-year-old central defender, and it seems that Newcastle United might get him up as a centre-back signing, and might get him over the line. Moving forward, it has been reported that Martial also is pretty much he has made up his mind to leave Manchester United, and Newcastle United might go for him. But there's another club in the mix for Martial. It has been reported that Juventus would be interested into signing Martial. That's not the only name they're looking for. They're also looking into Icardi, who is apparently playing for PSG at this moment. And Juventus want to sign a striker, so they might go for either Icardi or Martial. So, friends, this is it. This is what has to be, you could say, a very good window so far. And it seems that Newcastle United are the ones which will be hearing a lot about. And let's see what do they do later in this window as well as currently. So hopefully you would have liked this episode. Please subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.